Good evening, everyone. Ali is here from Vancouver Financial Network. Today is November 22nd, 2020. We are coming with commitment of traders report analysis for stock market and commodities. The good news is we have S&P 500 commitment of report index, not just consolidated index. So stay tuned. Let's go to the reports, see what they're telling us. All right, let's go to a commitment of traders report for a commodity market first. Here we have wheat, which is which had like a tremendous rally to the upside. However, last week, this for November, if I'm not mistaken, this is for November 17th update, and commercial money actually reduced their short position, which is very important, and they are overall in long position. And non-reportable positions, they reduce their short position here as well. And as you know, we are long in wheat, and it is coming along with commercial money as well. So this is a good one. And corn, we'll see corn, commercial money, they just added to their short position heavily and reduce their long position, means that corn is expected to go down. However, non-reportable positions, they just reduce their short position, which is against the commercial money, but we are following the commercial money here. Soybeans, they increase their long position and just add more to their short position. Soybean had very tremendous rally to the upside. It is I can't recall it, but it's like a 1200 or something, which is a huge number, but still it is bullish. Total positions, they are kind of even, like slightly weighted to the short side, but still I think soybean has moved to upside. And soybean oil, they just added heavily to the short side, like commercial money, they just heavily dumping money to the short side. And here is the total position. You will see the short side is overweight to the long side. Soybean meal, they just added to their long side and reduced their short positions, and total is going to be like to the short side. However, they just added to the long side, and we are following that. For cotton, it is very interesting. They just reduced their long position and short position at the same time, almost the same number, like 20,000, which is telling us that market is getting to the indecisive mood, and commercial money would rather not having any position in the cotton, which is a weakness, which is kind of a consolidation or very narrow bar shadows or something like that. It's going to happen to the cotton. However, we are long in cotton position. Lean hogs, we are long, but commercial money again reduce their short position and long position. By the way, this report is for November 10th, and this is for November 10th. Unfortunately, we didn't have a report for last week, but commercial money, they just indecisive, and we don't have updated report. Live cattle, if you have pay attention to price went down last week. And here's the thing, commercial money, just 2 weeks ago, we just mentioned it in our traders report last week as well. Commercial money heavily weighted to the short position, and see what's the result. The result goes down. And feeder cattle as well. So feeder cattle, they just added to their short position. Feeder cattle had like a negative wick as well. Coca had tremendous rally to the upside. That was fantastic rally, guys, and we made lots of money on coca. However, 2 weeks ago, they just reduced their long position and reduced their short position. They didn't add to their short position. Overall, they are slightly to the short position, and we are out of the position now with a tremendous rally. We are waiting for pullback, and I'm not interested to short coca now, but I'm interested to buy if price goes down. How about sugar? Sugar, we are in long position. However, they just added heavily to their short side 2 weeks ago. And last week we had like kind of sideways in sugar, and overall they are in short position rather than long position, just slightly over to the short position. So let's see how it goes. Coffee, we had like tremendous rally last week on coffee. We made money, we just get out of the position with a good profit, and this is for November 10th, by the way, and they just reduced their long position and short position at the same time. However, coffee, actually they reduce a lot on the long side, and we just cut our position in coffee. So let's go to the Forex market, and this is for commodity. Let's go to Forex market and the other indexes. All right, let's just start with Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar, we had position for November 10th. Unfortunately, we didn't have any updates. And on November 10th, which is for 2 weeks ago, they just added to their short position rather than long position. And they are slightly over from short position to long position. So we should take it for granted. And Swiss franc, this is updated reports, and they are heavily long in Swiss franc, which means that Swiss franc, if you know that, it's gonna against US dollar. So US dollar is gonna get weaker and weaker and weaker, and commercial money goes to Swiss franc as well here. However, the total positions are short over long, but they just think for next week or so, US dollar is gonna get weaker and weaker. And Mexican peso, I'm not interested in that. British pound, this is for November 10th. Unfortunately, we don't have updated. Japanese yen, this is for November 10th as well. But here is euro. Euro is for November 17th, which is last week. And we just updated from last week. And here is the commercial money. Commercial money reduced their short position on euro, reduced the long position, but they just heavily reduced their short position. And they are on the short side still in total positions. This is important that euro is getting stronger and Swiss franc is getting stronger, which means that dollar is going to get weaker against these two currencies. And euro against British pound, we'll see. Okay, so positions for this pair currency, they're on the short side. They just reduce long position, they just add to the short position, and here is the short position. Here you will see euro against British pound, they just added to their short position, and they are heavily into short position as well. Brazilian real now, and NZD, New Zealand dollar, they are in short position. Just be careful, guys. So I see some traders actually long, but I am on short side. Here is the short side commercial money, and they are totally on short position rather than long position. So be careful on that. Let's go down to Bitcoin. If we get any update from Bitcoin, no, this is for November 10th. And all right, so here is the favorite report. S&P 500 stock index, November 17th. And guess what? Commercial money goes to short position rather than long position. And here is the short position. So commercial money goes to the short position rather than long position. This is for November 17, but changes from November 10th. Means that money goes to the short position rather than long position. This is very, very important, guys. Just be careful on that. S&P 500 stock index, commercial money goes to the short position rather than long position. All right. So this is very important. These are not important at all. This is mini financial stock. Let's see financial index. They are in long position, and they are just kind of short over long position. And let's go down, see if we have anything. This is consolidated. No. Here is the S&P 500, Nasdaq 100 stock index, which is a technology. This is just 100 technology, and this is stock index. Commercial money. Can you believe this, guys? Commercial money goes to the long position. They're going to the long position rather than short position. However, in total, they are kind of short over long, but they added to their long position 2 weeks ago, like for November 10th, right? Australian dollar. This is for November 10th again, and they're added to the short position, reduce their long position. So Aussie means gold, gold means Aussie, and they are very well correlated to each other. And I assume that gold is going to go down, Aussie is going to go down, and you'll see commercial money goes to the short side rather than long side. I think I covered pretty much everything. Thanks guys for being with us. If you like these videos, please just give us a thumbs up or subscribe our channel through this link here. It is very important, guys. You just support us by your comments, by your feedbacks, by your like, by your subscription. That would be the only help, but it is very, very supportive for us, and it gives us like energy to continue to provide these videos for you guys. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great week. Awesome, guys. Bye bye.